Today we are reviewing the Trangia 27 non-stick cooking system. I've been using this for 3 months, guys, and I have to say I am very impressed with this cooking system. It is well designed, well engineered, well executed, beautifully made Trangia cooking system. This is the 27 series. There is 3 other sizes, but this is the 27. There is a 25, there is a 28, and there is a 27. This is the 27 series from Trangia. I'll let you have a look around the pot itself. Beautifully well made, well compact. Will fit in your rucksack no problem, guys. It's beautiful, beautifully designed, very light aluminium. This is the non-stick. There is other ones. I think you can get the whole aluminium, you can get the hardenized, or you can get the non-stick version. This is the 27 non-stick version. Okay, let's get into the Trangia's cooking system itself. You open this belting system, you take that off, and that allows you to get into the Trangia itself. Now, the lid of the Trangia is actually the pan of the Trangia, which is very cool, well designed. This is 27 series. This pan is 18 centimeters wide, guys. It's a nice little pan. You can cook some good stuff in there. Easily fit some sausages, some steaks in there, some bacon, some eggs, tomatoes. You can easily fry everything you need into there. This is the non-stick. It is black. Beautiful, guys. A good little pan indeed. Cook steaks in there, sausages, eggs, bacon, full English breakfast in there, no problem at all. Going further into the cooking system, it has a handle, so when you need to collect the pan, you can use that to pick up your pan itself. Awesome, guys. Beautifully designed, beautifully engineered. It's cool. It allows you to pick up your stuff without your hands getting burnt. Going further into the cooking system itself, will give you a kettle. Now, not all of the Trangia series have kettles inside, so if you want the kettle, make sure you look at the product you're buying before you purchase it if you want the kettle. Some come with a kettle, some don't, so just make sure that you do that. If you want the kettle system, make sure you do that. So this is the kettle itself. This will easily give you 2 brews, guys, in there. It's a nice amount of water you can fit in there. It's a good little kettle, well designed, well engineered. Beautiful, guys, beautiful. I love it. I love this little kettle. Awesome. And then in the kettle itself, to save space, is the Trangia cooking system itself, which is very good, very well designed. So that will release the Trangia cooking system itself. The Trangia, guys, this is what it's all about. This is where you put your spirits in to warm your food up. This is what it's about. It's a screw-on cap, I believe. Oh no, it's a pop-off cap, guys. Don't screw it, just pops off like that. And then, to get into the Trangia itself, it's screw-on. 1 second. And then you screw the lid off the Trangia like that. And that allows you to get into the Trangia cooking system, to fill it up with spirits to do your cooking. It's awesome. It's a well designed, well engineered, well executed, a beautiful design indeed, guys. Beautiful. The Trangia. There you go, Trangia. Awesome. And then going further into the cooking system itself, it comes with 2 pots. 2 bowls, guys. Yes, 2 bowls indeed. I've covered that up so it don't scratch. So 2 bowls, them 2 exactly the same size, same everything. So in there you can cook whatever you like, really. Pasta, vegetables, good amount of space in there to cook what you need. Vegetables, pasta, stir fries. It's an awesome cooking system. This cooking system allows you to cook basically what you want, anything you need, anything you want, you can cook with this cooking system. If you want bacon and eggs, get bacon eggs in there, guys. Look at that, plenty of room. This is 27 as well, 27 size, guys. Cook bacon in there, cook steaks in there, cook eggs in there, anything you want. And then if you want to cook vegetables, you can cook it in this bowl, no problem at all, guys. Okay, and then this is the cooking system itself. Let's have a look at this. Let me just take this rope off. So the cooking system itself, what you want to do is you want to place this down on the floor, and then you want to attach the windshield. This is the windshield. This is a very, very important bit of kit, the windshield, because this is very important, guys. The windshield is very important. This stops the wind from blowing out the flame. This stops the wind from tampering with the flame or anything like that. It's very, very good. A very well designed engineering kit. So once you've got the windshield on, you then want to get the Trangia cooking system itself, and you want to place that into the windshield like that. Then you want to, yeah guys, the windshield, this is why I love this cooking system, because when you're out in the mountains, when you're out in the field and it gets really windy, a lot of the cooking systems in the market, they cannot be protected by the wind. You have to buy windshields, you have to buy other accessories to eliminate that problem of the wind. So with the Trangia cooking system, the wind will not affect the cooking system at all, because this windshield, this is the windshield, this stops majority of the wind, guys, more or less all of the wind. Beautiful cooking system, beautiful design, awesome cooking system indeed. And then you want to place the Trangia inside there, filled up with your spirits, and then you can put that on. Okay, so then once that cooking system is up, set up like so, say if you're wanting to cook bacon and eggs today, you just get your pan and you place your pan on just like that, guys. Flames on, cooking system's heated up, you got your oil in your pan, put your steaks on, put your bacon and eggs on, fry it up, guys, just like that, awesome. Say if you're cooking vegetables, place these down just like that, vegetables or pasta, fill up your bowl with water, let that come to the boil, get your pasta in there, get your potatoes in there, boil them up, roast them up, just like that, guys. Awesome cooking system. So like I said, if you've cooked your food and you want to get the bowl off, you don't want to be touching it with your hands because it's very, very hot. So this is where these come in handy. You grab these and that allow you to take the bowl off or the pan without burning your hands. Very precious hands, guys. You don't want to burn these. You need to keep these intact. You need to keep your hands intact. Very, very important. So that's it, guys. That's the Trangia 27 cooking system. It is an awesome bit of kit. As you can see, there's a lot to it for how compact it actually goes. Beautifully designed, strong, sturdy, well engineered Trangia cooking system. I do take this more or less everywhere with me to do my cooking. It's beautiful. I do really rate it. I do highly recommend the Trangia. It's awesome, guys. Get your bacon and eggs cooking in there, sausages, bacon, tomatoes, beans, get it all in there, guys. Get it fried up, get yourself some good energy for on the walks that you need. Awesome bit of kit, guys. Get yourself a nice brew as well, make sure you keep warm out there, guys. get your vegetables cooked up in your bowl, pasta, whatever you want to cook, guys, get it done. So that's it, that's the Trangia 27 cooking system from Trangia. Highly recommend. Thank you for watching, guys. Thank you so much. Have a good day. Bye bye.